Greetings in Mandarin.
你好。
你好，你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好。我不太好。哇哇哇哇哇。
Poor little thing. Jasper, do you know what they were talking?
Not really, but I think 你好 means hello.
That's right. 你 means you and 好 means good. When you put them together, it forms the most common Chinese greetings. 你好, which means hello. And I heard the little puppet say, 你好，你好吗？你好 is hello, and 你好吗 sounds really similar, right?
Yes. Are they the same?
Not really. In Chinese, if you add 吗 to a sentence, it turns it into a question. So, 你好吗 literally means, are you good? Which is just like asking, how are you in English? And to answer that question, you can say, 我很好，谢谢。我 means I. 很 means very. 好 means good. 谢谢 means thank you. So, 我很好，谢谢 means I'm good, thank you.
But the little puppet is not feeling too well. He got bumped by the ball.
Yes. Did you hear the puppet say, 我不太好?
Yes.
不 means not. 太 means very. So, 我不太好 means I'm not very good. But what if you want to say not bad? You can say 还不错. Yes, 还不错.
Now I know. 很好. Very good. 还不错 means not bad.
And
不太好 means not that good.
exactly. Hey friends, can you say the greetings with us? Ready? Here we go. 你好。
你好。
你好吗？
你好吗？
我很好。
我很好。
还不错。
还不错。
不太好。
不太好。
太棒啦！ If you want to ask back, what can you say? You can say 你呢 which means you, or how about you? Then the other people would say 我也很好 if they're feeling good too.
你呢？
也 means
你呢？
okay, enough. 也 means too.
你好吗？
还不错，谢谢。你呢？
我也还不错。
Yeah. There are other greetings in Chinese depending on who you are talking to. When you want to say hello to more than one person, you can say 你们好.
你们 is like you guys, right?
Yes, exactly. So this is you. And this is 你们。对啦，太棒了。And if you want to say more politely, instead of using 你, you would use 您. 您 is the polite form of 你, and 您好 is the polite version of 你好.
I know when I see my teacher, I will say 你好 to show my respect.
Good job, awesome. And if you are greeting someone older, like your grandpa, grandma, or our old neighbors, or your parent, me and your daddy, you would use 您好 to show your respect.
I'm going to do that for my boss and my customers.
Okay, only if you have a boss and customers. Do you have?
Yes, I have many jobs.
Really? You have many jobs? How many you have?
1050.
Wow.
I'm a policeman, I'm a doctor, I'm a firefighter, I'm a builder.
Wow. Okay. I think we don't have enough time for that today. Maybe we will talk about your job in another video. Now let's watch the puppet show again and see if you can really get it this time.
Woohoo, let's go!
Yay!
你好，
你好，你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好。我不太好。哇哇哇哇哇！
Alright, let's have our friend Xiao Ying do a quick review of what we learned in this video. And after that, it's music time. So stick around.
You've learned so many greetings today. Let's go over them together. Hello in Chinese is 你好. It's a general greeting in Mandarin. If you want to be more polite, especially when speaking to elders or superiors, you can say 您好. If you are greeting 2, 3, or more people at once, you would say 你们好. How are you in Chinese is 你好吗? And to reply, you can say 我很好，谢谢, which means I'm good, thank you. You can also say 还不错, which means not bad. But there's one I hope you won't have to use, 不太好, which means not very good. To ask back, just say 你呢? How about you? Alright, let's say them together. Ready? 你好，你好，您好，您好，你们好，你们好，你好吗？你好吗？我很好，我很好，还不错，还不错，不太好，不太好，谢谢，谢谢。你呢？你呢？太棒了！
Stay tuned. It's time for music.
你好，
means hello. Say it to friends, say it and go. But if someone is old or grand, use 你好, that's polite and bland. Hello, hello, let's all say 你好, 你好 every day. Say 你好 when there's more than one. Greeting people is so much fun. 你好吗? 你 how are you? You can ask your friends, they'll ask you too. 我很好, I'm feeling great. Or say 还不错, not bad today. But if you're tired